How to trade on Binance mobile app for beginners for spot trading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can trade on Binance app for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to trade on the Binance app for beginners, we're specifically going to learn about spot trading. So first of all, open up your Binance app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see here. Right now from here you want to simply come to the trades tab, and under the trades tab you want to simply go to the option called spot. Now here you can see a couple of options over here, right? So you can choose to buy and sell, and you can also change the currency as well as the fiat and the cryptocurrency. On the right hand side you'll see the increased amount as well as the decreased amount. Now if you want to run a demo once, you can go to wallet. Then from here also, if you want to exchange something, you can go to spot, and if you have got any sort of balance on your spot wallet, you can choose to deposit them, withdraw them, or transfer them to any of the other wallets, let's say to P2P wallet or anything like that, and you'll see all the different balances right on this particular page. And this way you will be able to trade on Binance mobile app for beginners. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.